Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have wanted to say this since a very long time and here we are today. This is like my first official YouTube video where I'm like sitting and talking to you guys in the camera, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not that easy, but I'm gonna do it. And I thought today's video should be an introduction before I start yapping and telling you guys about how my life looks like. You guys deserve to know about me. So today's video is going to be facts about me while I do my go-to makeup routine. First is skin prep, which is like very important. My name is Kashish, in case you didn't know that already, and I am 23 years old. And you should not forget to prep your lips. I always start my makeup with this concealer. It's like the best. I live in Delhi and I'm born and brought up in Delhi. I've always lived there. Although मुझे अभी तक रास्ते नहीं पता है. Like मुझे metro पूरी आती है. I know all the routes, like 90% of the routes. But yeah, I'm really bad at directions and just knowing कौन सी जगह कहाँ पे है. Like I barely know that. It is possible that I start telling you about something and then I end up telling you about another thing, so please keep up with that. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love this concealer. It's the best. I mean, the coverage is amazing. I honestly do not have a lot of friends. Like, I've had a fair share of ups and downs when it comes to friendships, and I don't know, just all my life I've had like different groups in different timelines, and I guess nobody really stayed constant until now, like until after I graduated. And I really hope that the friends I do have now stay in my life forever, because I love each and every one of them. All my friends refer to me as Dodo. Nobody really calls me Kashish. And like if I'm in public or like if I'm with my friends and if somebody calls me Kashish, I feel like वो मुझसे गुस्सा है क्योंकि मुझे कोई नहीं बुलाता. Speaking of graduation, I graduated in 2023 and I pursued marketing from Delhi University. And now this feels like an interview. I did my wings off camera क्योंकि मुझे मिरर में घुस के करना पड़ता है, वरना मुझसे नहीं हो पाता. My birthday comes on 30th September and I'm a Libra. And I'm actually the youngest member in my house. I live with my parents and my elder brother. And trust me, मेरी बिल्कुल नहीं चलती मेरे घर में. Another interesting fact about me, which like I don't know how many people know that, but in lockdown, when every girly was opening a small business, even I did. And I opened a very cute little makeup brand of mine, where I sold lip glosses. Like I made lip glosses in my room and I used to sell them on Instagram, and like people used to like that brand. I mean, I was able to take care of my expenses, but after working on it for like 6 to 7 months, I realized that in that moment I did not have sources, like enough sources and money to upscale that brand. And like when I was running that business, of course there was a lockdown and I used to have online classes, but eventually my college got offline and then I had to apply for internships and then there were studies. I mean, I'm thoda bahut to padhai thi, so like it was very hard to juggle all of that together. So I realized that I created that whole thing with all of my heart, and I felt like I owe my baby that much, that if I'm working on it, I should work on it with my whole heart. But yeah, that's where my love for beauty and makeup began, and then I did internships and jobs in the beauty space. Speaking of space, it's a very stupid thing about me, but um, like no matter how long you are friends with me, I always need my space. Like my best friend is also very annoyed with this trait of mine. Like She's my best friend of 5 years, and till date, if she calls me, I'll take like 10 to 15 minutes to open up. And if she asks me, like, oh, how was your day? What are you doing? And I'm like, kuch nahi, tu bata. I cannot just start yapping, and trust me, making a profession out of it is very difficult. But yeah, like once I am okay and once I am warmed up with you, I will become a podcast and I will not stop talking. But yeah, I need like a good 15 to 20 minutes, be it anywhere. Even if I'm going to a party, I take a lot of time to just open up and talk about anything. I cannot do that. Like, I love going out, I love meeting people, but at the same time, I'm a homebody and I'm just a mixture of the two personalities. I was never a confident person in my life. Like, I'm not, but like eventually I never thought that I would find my confidence in front of the camera, because whenever like I'm in front of the camera and I'm posing, especially, I just feel so confident. But like, I was never like this all my life. I used to be very shy, and like I did not have the guts to speak in public. And I mean, I still do. I'm not saying that I am the most confident person, but I'm learning every day, and I am so glad that I have people in my life who push me to my best potential. What else should I talk about? I'm doing content creation since 2 years, and it's been only 2 months that I'm doing it full time. And I am overthinking every single day. Trust me, it's not easy, but it's worth it. Anybody who knows me knows that I am a fan of Karan Aujla and his music. I have attended his 3 concerts, and all of my top songs on Spotify are of Karan Aujla's, and I absolutely love his music and just the power that his music gives me. And I'm not a very big fan of Bollywood songs. Please don't come at me. I like English songs. It's either English songs or Punjabi. Another thing to know about me is that I am a dreamer. Like, I like to believe, and I don't know, I just have this faith that I'll make it. I don't know in which field and in which, like, what career, but like I have this faith that I'll make it. And honestly, if somebody asks me that what is like your 5 year plan or like your vision for 5 years, um, I would say I don't know, because I mean, किसी ने मुझसे 5 साल पहले पूछा होता कि do you see yourself having a YouTube channel, I would say no. So yeah, I don't like to have my whole life planned or figured out, but I still have this faith that okay, I have made it till here, even after like going through so many things and having ups and downs. I have done a lot of things, and I have had wonderful opportunities in my life. And if you made it till here, then congratulations, you're one of my closest friends. And this is the makeup routine that I like to do. Like, this is my go-to makeup routine. And let me know if you need any product links. I will link them in the description. And if you found anything relatable, or if you liked anything, or I don't know how you say this, but maybe you would like, share, subscribe. And I never thought I would say this. But yeah, do that, do these things, and it's okay if you don't want to. I don't want to put any pressure on you. But yes, I'll see you in the next one.